Good morning. Today we are at the Piparo mud volcano. It's the 20th of October 2019 and it is almost a month since it woke back up on the 22nd of September. Since then, in the media there have been many pronouncements which seemed to stir up panic among the residents in the area. The bulk of the activity has stopped. Right now there's only a single vent which is bubbling some mud and gas. What we do see, however, are that the faults seem to be getting bigger and the ground continues to subside within this area. In the background we are hearing the crater bubbling away here, and it's a constant stream. And what I think is because it rained, there's enough water now that the gas can convert the mud, well, the solid mud back into liquid stuff. There are no other active points where mud or gas is being released in the area, and most of the subsidence is more than likely due to the release of pressure as the gas is coming out. If we imagine this area here as a lid on a pressure cooker, once the pressure gets to a certain point, either it blows, or if you think about back to the pressure cooker, the little weight comes up and you release some steam. And this is what we are seeing here. Because the gas is being released, we are relieving pressure in the subsurface, and as you release pressure, the ground starts to subside to accommodate the loss of that gas volume. So what I think we're seeing here is subsidence due to release of gas in this area. If this continues, it is hardly likely that there's going to be an eruption in the near future. The activity has to cease once more and the pressure rebuild. This is not to say that there will not be an eruption. At some point in time there will be one, but I believe it's not going to be in the near future. Newsday newspaper of the 19th of November 2019, a statement was made that there was heightened seismic activity in the Piparo area. However, the seismic research website clearly shows that there have been no earthquakes during the month of October in Trinidad. This is a diagram showing all of the faults that have developed between September the 23rd and October the 19th. One notices that they are in almost the same place and there isn't much change over time in their position. This photo montage shows the evolution of faults in the Piparo area over time, starting at September 10th when there are no faults on the Tasik. We start at September 23rd, the day after the reported activity. We see a series of radial faults with a central area of subsidence to the north of the cone. 1 week later, on September the 28th, there is no significant change except that the space between the faults has widened slightly. On October the 7th, there is no significant change. On October the 19th, however, what we see, there are a few new faults, and some of those on the eastern side, you can clearly see that they have gotten wider. And what we're seeing is that most of the motion is down to the south towards where the cone is.